Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, we are going to be learning how to fix PayPal login not working on your iPhone. If you are trying to log into your PayPal account but you are not being able to do so due to some reasons, then watch the video till the end since I will be showing you how you can resolve the issue. So if the PayPal login is not working, then the first thing you would want to check for is an internet connection. Go ahead and turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After you do that, go ahead and check for the PayPal app update. Launch open your App Store and type in PayPal in the search box. From the search result, if you see an update button right underneath or right beside the PayPal app, simply tap on the update button to download the latest version of PayPal. After you make sure it's updated to the latest version, simply open up the app and try logging into your account now. While logging into your account, make sure that you type in your email address and password correct. If you don't remember your email, you can use the phone number instead link and type in your phone number and password. Similarly, if you've forgotten your password, tap the forgot password link and follow through the password reset process. Remember that you'll need your correct credentials every time you log into your account, so once you have your credentials correct, tap on login to get access to your account again. If the problem still persists and you are still not being able to log into your PayPal account, then simply go ahead and press and hold the PayPal app from your app drawer and tap on remove app. Tap the delete button twice in order to delete the app from your device. Now go back to your app store and reinstall the PayPal application again and check if that works for you. So those were some of the fixes you could try out if you're not being able to log into your PayPal account with your PayPal application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.